Okay, we're back. We had equipment failure. Hard drive got full. All right, don't worry about all that. We don't need that stuff. We're going to grind one of these bolts, trying to get ground to come through here, but every piece in here is insulated because this is all anodized. The bolt, the nut basically here is insulated, which means the bolt won't contact anything. If you grind the face of this, it's grounded all, it's insulated. So every piece would have to be ground through to make a circuit all the way through. It's just not worth the hassle. We're just going to put a jumper wire from the battery ground to this bolt, and everything we stack on that bolt will be grounded because all the wires are stacked right together. Done. We don't have to worry about
Oh
it.
yeah, the bolt going through. Okay, I dig what you're saying.
The bolt's not going to do anything except just hold everything together.
Right.
The wire terminals are going to ground each other
Ground each
out.
other. Okay.
We're just going to stack them up. And we got
Got it.
3 or 4 of them here we're using.
Okay.
So, but and this front bolt is cleaner because we don't have to run all the wiring back to here, across all this. The cover here is going to be close up under there. This bolt's close. All this stuff is real close here. And it's just easier coming off this bolt. Boom, which is right here. Now, if you want to eliminate the washer back here to get some more room because it's no room back in this area, we can go ahead and take the lock washer out, put red Loctite on, or not red, but blue Loctite on it, tighten it down real tight. As long as nothing never loosens up, it doesn't matter. Right. And we're not going to lose the ground even if it did get loose.
Right.
It's just you don't want the nut to fall off.
Right. Obviously.
But if you have Loctite on it, even if it loosens up a little bit, because the powder coat wears away or some reason,
Right.
it ain't going to just fall off. So we're good either way.
Okay.
And that simplifies everything, trying to grind stuff and get in there with a grinder. And like I said, you make the 2 pieces more grounded, but you still got the bolts not grounded, so just a pain in the ass. You have to grind both sides of this plate, the frame, the bolt piece here will have to be grounded on both sides. Every piece that you have grounded off is going to provisions for rust and lack of contact.
Right.
So you go through 4 different layers of stuff versus you put one terminal and stack them, you got 1 layer and that's it. So it's a lot easier, better, a lot less hassle. Okay, we need to get this one off.
Yep.
We got to have this wire above it, now we know for sure.
Yep.
Now we can eliminate the lock washer. Now, you want to eliminate the lock washer on this one too and get a full nut on it, or you want to just leave it out the way it is?
No, I like that one. It is fine.
Okay, you want me to double check the torque on that? We got it pretty tight, I think it's good, but be careful of that elbow, you're kind of nailing the nose.
Okay. I'm on that good there.
Okay, you're on there good? Okay, look it up. I don't want to break these either, but it feels kind of mushy, like it's, it feels like it's bottomed out, but not tight. It's not tight anymore, it's tight.
Okay.
There's no way that 1/4" bolt's gonna ever get enough to worry about that.
Right. I mean,
Okay, grab, come in from top there.
okay.
Come to the ground anyway. Okay, where'd the lock washer go? Where'd the nut go?
Right here somewhere. On top.
It's on top, swing on. Or training. Okay, I've been able to dab a Loctite on that, and then we'll tighten it down.
You need to shove that wire in
And I'm
there.
gonna shove the wiring up. Looks like all the wiring goes up above it. It's gonna make it harder to get to the wrench in there, but
We'll figure it out.
you might have access through the front here, I think. More than just one more drop. Okay.
Big thread. Just roll it up.
I want that up, I want the nut. This elbow keeps trying to nail me in the head.
Sorry.
Face. Every time you put your arm up, it's right in my face. Okay, that's just not gonna have room to get into there like that.
It's gonna be fun for sure.
Yes, it's tight. But it'll work. I got it, just gotta get it started. Okay, where's your wrench?
Over here.
Think you come in from this
I
angle
was gonna
maybe?
say, yeah, maybe I come in from this
come up from underneath. If you come from underneath behind the plate, you got access to, I think, top and chain. Or an angle like this coming up. No, use the open end. Like this, here. And go right up into the back of the nut up there. Fit up in there. A lot higher, pretty way up here. No, on the back side of the plate, on the front side.
There we go.
You got it in there?
Yep, I think I'm on it.
Yeah.
There.
The problem is this one up too. Okay, we're on it.
Wire, what's that wire coming through right there? What is that? We're gonna pinch something right here.
That is not,
Oh,
that's on
me.
your wrench.
That's me.
It's your wrench.
There we go.
Yes, you were trying to pinch a wire, but it is what it is. Okay, that's pretty tight.
Okay, now she wants to go back up in there like she belongs.
Yeah, that looks good. Pull the wires out there in the way. Just get these wires just pulled out.
That way or this way?
Just trying to get them out of the way. There. Okay, now you got access to get where you need to. Okay, let's go and get that bolt in there.
Okay.
And where's our front bolt? Let's see, she's right here.
Yep.
Let's get it started on there.
Did she get a little Loctite or no?
You should have a lock washer underneath the head of that bolt. And a little Loctite. But not a lot, just a little bit. So these little nuts are the same thickness as the weld nut rubber, so it puts the cover in a stock location. So you have to worry about spacing in or out, it's going to be the same. So if this is all the same, it's not an issue.
Big.
A quarter inch. And a quarter inch lock wash. That's a cheap ass lock wash. You gotta throw garbage, that stuff in the garbage. When I told you all import hardware you throw in the trash, that includes the lock washers. The only part I use is flat washers. It's pretty hard to screw up a flat washer, but they do that too. I don't see any lock wash in this pan, but these aren't organized super good, are they?
No. I think I'm trying to put all bolts on.
This one looks like it's pretty much all bolts, but there might be a lock in there. Can't believe we have a quarter-inch lock washers laying around because I use them all the time. Something rattle around. Nope. All bolts and screws. I got nothing. Yeah, nothing there. You got anything? Nope.
That's a little fucking mess.
Yeah, nothing there. Star washers, keep those out. Always use those. We gotta do wiring, we need star washers. Not total loss. You guys want to adjust in? Keep all that shit up there?
finished lock washer, but it's already smashed and garbage.
Good. Good thing we kept that.
See, we
Yeah, there's still a little bit of activity on that one. It still works. It's not smashed all the way down. Need 3 more.
not gonna happen.
Well, yeah, 3 more is what you need.
One other place I can look.
Got the star washer over here, what you got, what you need?
That's
But that's not a 1/4 inch,
Yeah,
that's
it's
remember
too small.
it's a metric like a 10 or something. See how small the hole is in it?
It is. I should just throw all this junk away.
No, you just need to throw away the trash that's in there. Organize things. You got a lot of battery bolt stuff in here, it looks like, or those are screw tabs. Those come in handy. Just need a better selection of hardware. You don't have any hardware, so. It's very important to have hardware on hand so you can work on a bike. He has a nice hardware store locally, but they're closed.
Yeah, that's the problem.
You can have one of the
There's
little
one
nut,
other place I can look too.
you can have a little washer, bolt, nut assortment. Take it, from, number 10 all the way up to 1/2 inch, you got stuff. Doesn't take much to make that. Either make it or buy a kit. I would rather make the kit because I use good hardware when I make it, instead of garbage that they come with. All this stupid ass China crap, pure garbage. Barely worth even having.
One other place I can try. What's the stainless stuff in there?
Alright, we're gonna cut it for now, we're looking for stuff.